The state action antitrust immunity doctrine provides that certain state authorities are immune from antitrust regulation. In North Carolina State Board of Dental Examiners versus Federal Trade Commission, the United States Supreme Court addressed whether state regulatory boards are protected under this doctrine. The North Carolina State Board of Dental Examiners was a statutory agency created to regulate the practice of dentistry in North Carolina. Under the Dental Practice Act, the board had the authority to create, administer, and enforce a licensing system for dentists. The board comprised 8 members, 6 of whom had to be licensed practicing dentists. In the early 2000s, several non-dentists began offering teeth whitening services in North Carolina. In response, the board sent cease and desist letters to any non-dentist offering teeth whitening, claiming that teeth whitening was the practice of dentistry and required a license. The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, brought an administrative action against the board, claiming that it violated Section 5 of the FTC Act by engaging in anti-competitive conduct to keep non-dentists out of the teeth whitening market. The board moved to dismiss based on the state action doctrine. The FTC argued that the doctrine wasn't applicable because the state didn't adequately supervise the board. The board argued that active state supervision wasn't necessary to invoke the doctrine. An administrative law judge denied the motion and found that the board violated the FTC Act. The FTC affirmed. The Fourth Circuit affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.